Hey there, welcome to another video of the English Language Quiz channel. We are here to test your knowledge of English. So, how good are you? Let's find out. And the first question is, in which liaison does the S sound have an alternative pronunciation? Option A, mess around. B, bless you. C, toss it. Or D, dress up. Some seconds to think. Chosen? The correct option is B, bless you, which can also be pronounced as bless you. Whenever you have an S sound before the iota sound, you can also pronounce it as sh. And moving on to question 2. In which of these words is the final E pronounced? This time I can't read the options. It would be too easy, so take your time. Ready? Letter C, catastrophe, is the correct answer. Some other words we pronounce the final E are recipe, acne, and Nike. And the third question is, which of these verbs has a T final sound when pronounced in the past? Option A, clean, B, intend, C, stay, or D, kiss, and counting. Time is over. If you chose option D, kiss, you're right. In the past the pronunciation is kissed, as in escaped, looked, and laughed. This has to do with the final voiceless consonants. The other words are pronounced with the D final sound. Listen. Cleaned, stayed, intended. Now question number 4. In which of these words does the letter S have a Z sound? Again, it would be as easy as pie if I read the options, so it's on you. Did you find out? Well, the correct answer is A, disaster. The other 3 words are pronounced with the S sound. Disability, disappear, and disavow. Differently from disaster, they have the prefix dis in their composition, so they keep the S sound. And moving on to the final question. Which of these words has the same stress when used as a noun and as a verb? Attention, I'm gonna pronounce them as nouns. Letter A, record. B, model. C, rebel, or D, increase. Time to choose. Score a point if you chose B, model. It doesn't matter if it's used as a noun or as a verb, the pronunciation is always model. Here are 2 sentences with both uses. Noun, this model can explain everything. Verb, they model for a big agency. With the other 3 words, the stress changes according to their use. As nouns, their pronunciations are record, rebel, and increase. As verbs, we pronounce record, rebel, and increase. So, how many did you get right? In the description below, you can find some links to pages where you can learn more about the subject. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Hope you have enjoyed it. See ya!